We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
Okay, Felix, you know better than anybody else what exactly goes in a PewDiePie.
I'm gonna share my secret recipe. We got the mince, we got the cream,
I'm taking notes. What else?
we got the butter,
Okay.
we got the breadcrumbs, we got the onion,
What else?
potatoes,
What else?
and the råröda lingon.
Okay, and then?
You need this as well.
Soy sauce.
It's gonna be perfect.
Fresh, doing something you haven't heard before.
First off, I just gotta say, this is the first pie I've ever made in my entire life, so I'm kind of just happy that it's not a big chunk of doo-doo sitting on the plate. It's a physical pie, we can eat it, and I don't know if it'll taste good, but we can at least eat it.
But can you do this?
Can I do what?
This chair is much better. Can the chair do this?
Can I do that? No, I can't. No, I'm in a bar. I can't do that. I'm on a bar stool. There's no back on this, Poods. There's no back on the chair. I can't do that.
No, you can't, unless you bought my chair.
No, I told you I can't. There's no back. Like I just fall over. Like I literally cannot do that. What do you? Please stop asking me. I can't do that.
Can you do this?
No, I can't do that. I cannot. So clearly we have some structural integrity issues. Okay, the whole thing has some structural integrity. It's kind of falling apart. It's kind of a mushy meatball berry. You know what? This is I feel like this is gonna taste like Thanksgiving dinner. Like we have meat, we have pie, we have potatoes, we have berries. I feel like it's kind of like a Thanksgiving dinner pie. That's why I don't think it's gonna be that bad. But just in case it doesn't taste that bad, I also have some salmon. I have some smoked salmon. We'll try to make it terrible and unfortunate. And that just makes it even more Swedish, guys. That just makes it even more Swedish. At least we're gonna try to hope that the pie crust didn't come out bad. You know what? This isn't even that bad. I know I keep saying, that's like gonna be my new saying. It's like, you know what? This isn't even that bad. The quote, OMG food. No, it's because I'm always like shocked. I'm like, we've never tried this before. I have no idea if this is gonna be good, but we'll try it. And you know what? It's not even that bad. It's like a Thanksgiving pie, really. It's basically just like a Thanksgiving pie. It's meaty meatballs. It's yeah, you know what Thanksgiving is like. You know what would make this better though is if we made the mashed potatoes thicker. If we made the mashed potatoes thicker and someone that actually knows how to bake a pie came in like crimp the stop squeezing things and crimp the crust better, then it would give it more structural stability and it would actually be much better. And I think we can actually undercook the meatballs. I was too scared to undercook the meatballs. They're not bad, but we could have undercooked the meatballs because they have to cook in the oven anyway. The whole pie cooks in the oven. So we can kind of undercook the meatballs and then it should be a better texture when it actually comes out. But this was not even that bad. Like I said though, if it's not that bad, we gotta try to make it worse. We gotta try to kick it up a notch, make it super Swedish. So this is the PewDiePie Plus. No. No. Nope, we made it bad.
Do not listen to this man, for he is just trying to hide the succulent flavor. You're obviously a crazy person. How dare you?
Yeah, no, that's not good. No, that's not, no, you know what, I'm a fan of the standard PewDiePie. I'm not really, the PewDiePie Plus is it's just too Swedish for me. I'm gonna have to pass on the PewDiePie Plus, but the regular PewDiePie, delicious. Try it next Thanksgiving. Well, why not? Try it for Thanksgiving, right? Why not? Ooh, I'm a monkey! Alright guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Before I leave, I want to issue a challenge. If this gets one comment from Felix, PewDiePie, if this gets one comment, doesn't matter if it's good or bad, it could be I would never eat that looks disgusting, please go jump in the toilet. If that's the comment, doesn't matter, one comment from Felix, I will donate $200 to Charity Water. Charity Water is a non-profit organization that helps bring clean water to third world countries. So one comment, Boots. One comment, $200 donation. So anyway guys, that's the challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you as always next Monday in the next one.
It could possibly be the greatest meme of all time. This meme means more to me than any other meme we have previously discussed because it is my meme.
By the way, guys, this is my living room. I don't know. Do you like this? Do you like this camera angle better? All I did was I turned. Well, you guys can basically figure out what I did. I turned the camera around and I filmed from the other side. So this is the other side. I don't know. Maybe it makes a better backdrop. I got some ideas, though. I got some ideas.